How to use promo code on Subway application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can use promo codes on Subway application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed the Subway application. If not, install it from the App Store or Google Play Store. After you install it, you have to open up the Subway application in your device and make sure to sign in into your account. So once you signed in, first of all, you have to select the item. So you have to choose your desired shop sites and drinks, then add them to your cart or the bag. Now once you have added everything that you want, navigate to the checkout order summary piece. Then there you have to look for a field which may be labeled as promo code, coupon code or something similar. So tap on it and that's where you will enter the code. There, type the promo code in the designated field, and once you're done, all you have to do is tap on apply button or an equivalent button to activate your discount. Make sure that the discount has been applied and the total amount reflects the correct amount before completing your order. Once everything looks good and fine, you have to proceed to finalize your order. That's it. That's the way to use promo code on Subway application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.